Hello, students. Good evening to everyone. So, you might be hearing me for the first time. I am a maths tutor working in this organization. So, today, on behalf of your science class, I am going to engage maths class for you because a few personal issues. Madam is not unwell and she's suffering from fever, so she couldn't take today's class. So that's why I am here to conduct today's class. So we'll have a quick maths activities for you all, and let's do a quick Q&A session for all of you. Let's recall what you have studied in your previous standards. Yes. So yes, there's one student wishing me good evening, ma'am. Good evening. Good evening, child. Good evening. So let's start. Today we will talk about area and perimeter. Yes, perimeter and area. You might have heard about it. Perimeter, area. Have you heard about it? Yes. So quickly, first we'll go through the formulas. Anybody who can tell me what is the perimeter of a square? Tell me. Can anyone tell me what is a perimeter of square? What is the formula? Anybody who can tell me what is perimeter of square? Have you learnt about it in earlier classes? Obviously, you have learnt. Yes or no? So tell me, what is a perimeter of square? Come on, kids, tell me. What is a perimeter of squares? First of all, we should know what is a perimeter. Do you know what is a perimeter? The boundary of any figure is known as perimeter. Yes or no? Do you know what is the boundary of a square? The length, what we have here. So this is the boundary. Yes or no? So this is the boundary. Yes or no? So this boundary is nothing but we calculate the perimeter. Yes. So tell me what can be a perimeter square of a square formula. Tell me. Can anybody? You all have to unmute yourself. I heard that this is very active class. Yes, all my tutors all are very much active enough. Yes, tell me what can be perimeter of a square. The formula is 4 into length of a side. What is the formula? 4 into length of a side. Then what is the formula of a square? Can you tell me? Sorry, a rectangle. What is the formula of a rectangle? So rectangle, it looks like this. And what we know about rectangle, that all opposite sides are equal to each other. In square, what happens? All the four sides are equal. Whereas in rectangle, what happens? The length and breadth, the opposite sides of a rectangle are equal with 12. So that's why what becomes its formula? It is 2 into length plus breadth. Length plus breadth. Yes. So now we will talk about the area. So let me show you my simulation. Firstly, we'll go to area of square. So do you know what do you mean by area of a particular figure? Cause of this boundary, what happens? A kind of area is constructed. Can you see here? Yes. This is a kind of the area constructed because of this boundary. Yes or no? So the inside region, what is called? It is nothing but area of a particular figure. Here in this case, it is a square. Yes. So inside region, what can we see here? This is known as area of a square. This is known as area of a square. So in area of a square, what happens? It is always length into height. The formula comes as length into height. But what do we know about square? Tell me. Square, what happens in square? That all the sides of square are equal. Yes, here if you see, the height also measures 2 centimeter, the length also measures 2 centimeters. So all the four sides are equal to each other. And because of that, what happens? Tell me what happens. So instead of writing length into height, we are going to just add, we are just going to put side into side because length and height both are equal to each other. So we are just going to mention it as what happens here? It is side into side. So it becomes side square. So area of a square is what? Side square. Okay. Now, Now we will talk about the next figure. One. Yes. Now comes the rectangle. In rectangle, what we know that opposite sides are equal to each other. So what happens here? We take it as length into width. Length into breadth is a area of a rectangle. Yes. Now we will talk about area of triangle. So in area of triangle, what happens? It is half into base into height. How does this base and height comes into the picture, and why do we take here half? We take it because triangle is a part of a rectangle. Triangle is always half of the rectangle. Can you see this rectangle? Yes. So what does the rectangle formula tells us? Area of a rectangle, it is always base into height. It is always base into height. So what happens in this case when it is base into height? When I've taken part of a rectangle, half of a rectangle, so that's why we add it here half. So now it becomes half into base into height. Can you see half into base into height? Yes. Can you see this? Yes. Okay. So these are few of the formulas which we have recalled regarding perimeter and area. Now comes the exciting part. So quickly we'll solve the Q&A, question and answer. I'm going to give you now. So all of you be ready with it. So once I start giving the questions, you people have to quickly give me the answers. So you have to unmute yourself. Till now, nobody has unmuted and given me the formulas. But this time, when I solve the questions, you people have to unmute yourself. Are you ready? Yes. So the first question, what is the perimeter of shape? So this is the shape given here, and you people have to calculate the perimeter. So what will we know about the perimeter? That the boundary measurements add up to the perimeter. So quickly add all the sides measures given here, length of the sides given. Add and tell me what is the answer. Option A is 35, option B is 32, option C is 37, option D is 38. Can you tell me which is the correct answer? Add all the sides given and then tell me. Here is the picture. Tell me what is the right answer. Anybody can unmute yourself. Yes. So what comes the answer here? 6 plus 8 plus 8 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4. What is the answer? So add yourself and give me the answer in chat box. If you can't unmute, if you can't mute your, sorry, if you can't unmute yourself, give me the answer in chat box. So can anybody tell me the answer? What is the answer? 32, 35, which is the correct one? 37, 38. Can you unmute yourself? Add all these measurements. Kids, come on, do it. It's so easy. 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus 4 plus 8 plus 8. Can anybody tell me? So it gives you 32 centimeter. Yes. So the next one, what is the perimeter of the shape? So this is the shape given here and add all these measures and tell me its perimeter. So it is 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 7. So quickly do and tell me what can be the answer. So what can be the answers? Tell me when you add all these. 6 plus 2 plus 4 plus 5 plus 2 plus 7. So it adds up to, yes, it adds up to 26 centimeter. Yes. So the next shape. Can you tell me what is the perimeter of this? So 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 2 plus 10 plus 7. Can you tell me what is the answer? It adds to, yes, it adds to 34 centimeter. Yes. Next one. So it is 5 centimeter, 7 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 3 centimeter, 13 centimeter, and 10 centimeter. Now tell me what might be the answer. It is 46 centimeter. Yes. So very good, kids. Yes. So, all right. So, yes, students have given me the answer. Now I can see in the chat box. Very good, kids. Thank you so much for your response. Now we'll go to the next one. We'll go to the area. All right, we'll talk about area now. So one of the school has asked me which class, ma'am, 8th or 9th. Sir, this is a quick revision on area and perimeter, as science ma'am is not available because she's unwell. So that's why we are having a questionnaire on perimeter and area session. Next session it will goes on as per the timetable. Only for today it is. Yes. Now, so are you ready with the area? Yes. So if the area of the rectangle is 30 squared centimeter, what could its length and width be? So the area of rectangle they have given, it is 30 square centimeter. Now tell me what it could its length and width be. So what do we know about the area of a rectangle? Area of rectangle, what do we know about it? We know about its formula. Yes, we know about it. Its formula. So what does the area of a rectangle tell us? It is length into breadth. Yes, it is length into breadth. Now we don't know length and breadth. Both we don't know. But what do we know? We know its area. Yes, we know its area. It is 30 square centimeter. So tell me, in the given options, which of the measurements, if we multiply, gives us 30 square? That will be our right answer. So it is option C. So yes, it is option C, because 5 into 6, when we do, we get 30 square centimeter. Yes. Yes. Now try to do this one. If the area of a rectangle is 36 square centimeter, what could its measurements be? So what could its measurements be? So area of rectangle is length into breadth. Yes, it is. What they have given, its area is 36 square centimeter. Now can you tell me what its area, sorry, its length and breadth can be? Can you tell me? Option B, 9 fours are 36. So length and breadth can be 9 centimeter centimeter and 4 centimeter. Yes, very good, kids, very good. So the next one. Area of a rectangle is 24 square centimeter. Okay, we have got the area. We have also got its length. It is 6 centimeter. Now can you tell me what its width can be? What its width be? Length is given. Area of rectangle is given. Width becomes what? So put all the measurements in the given formula. Area of rectangle is equal to length into breadth. So try to put in it and substitute the values. You will get the width. So if you look here, it is area of a rectangle is equal to length into breadth. Length into breadth. So length into breadth, what happens? Area becomes what? Tell me. It is 24 square centimeter. Length is how much? It is 6 centimeter. We don't know about the width. That is breadth. Yes. So 24. This is multiplication. When it comes this side, it becomes division. So 6 ones are 6 fours are 24. So breadth is 4 centimeter. 4 centimeter is the breadth. So we have this option here. Yes. So the next one. Area of rectangle is 100 square centimeter. Width is given. What its length can be. So same. Instead of length, we have width value here, but we don't have the length value. Find out the length value. So 100 divided by 4. So what it gives? It gives you, yes, very good, 25 centimeter. Yes, 4 ones are 425 is a 100 centimeter. Yes. Now, uh, 1 minute. I shall showcase the another one, another question to you. 1 minute. Give you a moment, kids. So now I'm sharing my screen. Yes, can you see? Okay. So now tell me what is the perimeter of this triangle? All the three sides are different. Can you tell me what its perimeter be? So it is 12 meter, 13 meter and 11 meter. What its answer will be? 36 meters. Are you sure? Let's check. Yes, it is correct. So all the three sides have to be added here. So the next, what is the perimeter of this square? So what square tells us that all the sides are equal. So what is the formula for that? What is the formula for perimeter of a square? 4 into length of a side. So we have a length of a side that is 4 meter. So 4 into 4, it is 16 meter. Yes. Now, perimeter of this rectangle. So 2 into length plus breadth. So use this formula and try to solve. Quickly, come on, give me the answers. 2 into length plus breadth. You can also unmute yourself, kids. Unmute yourself, do the calculations and let me know your answers. Come on, try to do it. 2 into length plus breadth. So what is the length and breadth? 14 plus 24. That gives you how much? 38. So 38 into 2. So it is 76 centimeter. Yes. So here we get the answer. Now, what is the perimeter of this square? So the square is given here. Now tell me its perimeter. So same, 4 into length of a side. So 4 into 60, how much it is? A, B, C, D, which is the correct option. When you do 4 into 60, how much you get? It is 240 centimeter. Yes. Now, they have given a hexagon. Can you tell me what is the perimeter of this hexagon? Anybody knows what is the formula for calculating perimeter of the hexagon? Tell me. Can anybody tell me? So it is 6 into length of a side. 6 into length of a side. So why 6? Because hexagon is having 6 sides. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it is, oh, time's up. We did not answer it quickly. All right. But we'll go and solve this like this. Wait. So it was 6 into length of a each side. So 6 into, so 6 into, we shall assume it as 6 into 60 centimeter it was. So 6 6 are 36. 6 zeros are 0. This becomes our perimeter of the hexagon. Yes. So yes. So many of the students have answered. Very good, kids. Thank you so much for your active response. Thank you very much. So these responses feel us very make us feel very happy. So we are happy to engage for Christ. So thank you so much for these responses. So I hope everybody has understood about the area and perimeter very well. Yes? Have you understood? Did you understand about this? Anybody can unmute yourself. Yes, okay. All right. So now, um, I will give you quickly a question. So try to solve in it and give me the answer. Okay. Find the distance traveled by Usha if she takes 3 rounds of a square park of a side 75 meter. So the square park is in a square shape. Its side is how much? 75 meter. Now what Usha does? Usha takes 3 rounds of this park. So this is a park which is in a square shape. Okay. Side of it is 75 meter. Like this, she takes 3 rounds of it. Yes. 3 rounds she takes. Now we have to calculate the total distance. Total distance of the round she puts. Can you give me the answer? So try to do it. Can you do that? So it is nothing but firstly we'll try to find its perimeter. It is 4 into 75. Yes, 4 into length of each side, which adds up to 300 meter. So one perimeter of this park we have found out. So she takes 3 rounds, means she puts 3 times. She moves 3 times of this park. So perimeter, what we have got, we'll do this into 3. So it becomes 900. So total distance she covers is 900 meter. So this way you all have to solve the problems. So yes, so we shall stop the class here and I welcome our next tutor, English ma'am, to engage the class. Thank you so much, students and all the faculties present here. Thank you so much. Mansa